So hi everybody, my name is Miss Michelle. I'm going to be your teacher today. Everyone give me a thumbs up if they can hear me okay? Awesome. The first thing that you're going to need to make banana bread, you're going to need bananas. So if your bananas are big like mine, I'm only going to be using 3. If you have smaller bananas, you might want to use 4. Throughout the class, I'm going to tilt you guys down so you can see what's going on in front of me. So I'm going to just open my butter, the one side, and this is what it's going to look like once you have it all mixed together. That looks excellent. Willow, yours looks great. Eliza looking good, and I think this might be my favorite one. You guys were such good helpers, and you made it so easy. I feel like I didn't even have to teach you. You guys taught me. So I want to say thank you to all of you.